Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to create and use custom blend directive. Okay, Laravel already predefined like at the rate if, at the rate for each loop. There is the predefined directive, but if you want to create your own custom blend directive, then how you can do it. So let me give you a simple example and that will helps you. Okay, so let me go here. You can see that there is a like name, email and creation date. So with the creation date you can see that mdiv there is a format with the hours and minutes. Okay, so let me go how right now it is working. So you can see that simply what I did, like users, and inside the for each loop you can see that like created it and there is a directly format, and then I use it. Okay, but you can see that this is working fine, but you can see that every time you need to write like your format mdy and then hih. So like right now we have just used this module, but later like post items categories, so everywhere you need to rhyme, every time you need to write this. So that can be a like cause, and like when sometime after some time you want to change your date format like dmy or something, any other format, if you want to change it, then it can be a cause, like that can be a take times, and that can be a bug also. So here we will create our own our own directive. So how to do that? So let me show you. So first of all we need to go to the providers, and let me go here and let me use blad colon directive. So here using the directive method we need to define the directive name. So I will get like date time. Okay, first argument, that is the name of the directive, and then there will be a function, and we are passing the date object like carbon date. So I will just call date and time object, and then like I will say this. Okay, and I will return the php, and inside that like echo, and then I will use the date time, and then I will use the format, and this format will be mdy hi. Okay, and then that's close. Okay, before I use this one I need to use that one. So use illuminate slash support slash facades and slash blad. Okay, so now I can use it. So I define the date and time directive. So what I have to do, I simply have to go here, and simply I don't have to do this curly bracket at all. Just I need to go and use the directive sign, and here like user and created at save it. Okay, and now if I refresh, you can see that you don't have to do it right now. You can see that it's like mdy. So you want to dmy, then you can define like this way, and if you hit refresh it, you can see that here you need to refresh it. Yeah, let me save it, and let me go here and save it. Oh, okay. Now you can see that. Okay, you can see that date first, and then month, and then year. So this can help you, and you can easily use every module and in your every report and everywhere inside the blade file. So this will helps you. So thank you so much for the watching, and if you haven't subscribed us, then please subscribe. Thank you so much.